हेलो एवरीवन, आज के इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे अनदर बॉटनी पीजी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड इट्स आंसर की। लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द फर्स्ट नेचुरल साइटोकाइनिन that was isolated from maize is zeatin. Which of the following is principal blue light receptor in plants? Cryptochrome. Tropical rain forests on the basis of temperature conditions can fall into one of the following classes: megatherm. Hydrolysis of orthoclase gives rise to collinite. Elevation occurs in which of the soil horizon? B horizon. According to Ronquier 1934, 5 frequency classes. The class D has the frequency value of 61 to 80%. Which of the following sequence represents general process of succession? इसका आंसर है सी पार्ट: न्यूडेशन, माइग्रेशन, एक्सिस, एग्रेशन, कोएक्शन एंड स्टेबलाइजेशन. In a grassland, shape of a biomass pyramid is upright. Parts of Podophyllum hexandrum used for extraction of active principle of drug podophyllin are roots and rhizomes. Botanical name of white jute is Corchorus capsularis. The scientist who gave first time the crystalline form of plant virus TMV and awarded Nobel Prize in 1946 is W.M. Stanley. Cyanobacteria resemble bacteria in having all of the above. During life cycle of black stem rust fungus, the basidiospores produce monokaryotic mycelium on Burberry leaves. The alga, which can possibly be used in space flights for regular supply of oxygen, is chlorella. Elater mechanism for spore dispersal is found in Markensia. Which type spores are present in bryophyte? A. Haploid in nature. Ectystem differs from Funaria in having well-developed vascular system. The amphiploic siphonostele shows that phloem is present both on external and internal side of xylem. The protein packaging plant in the cell is Golgi bodies. Semi-autonomous organelle in the cell is chloroplast. Indicate the correct answer in meiosis. इसका आंसर है A part. Chiasmata are formed before metaphase first. Which of the following biomolecule has self-repairing mechanism? इसका आंसर है DNA only. The dihybrid test cross ratio is 9:3:3:1. Inheritance of ABO blood groups illustrates multiple allelism. A gene which affects the character of another gene not located on similar locus of homologous chromosome is called epistatic gene. What is the probability of offsprings for the cross capital A small a and small a having A phenotype? 0.50. Which of the following possess 5:3 and 3:5 exonuclease activity? इसका आंसर है A. Korenberg enzyme or DNA polymerase first. The first engineered plasmid vector is PSC 101. The enzyme involved in amino acid activation during protein synthesis is amino-acyl tRNA synthetase. Which key features of Taq polymerase allows PCR to be covalently performed? इसका आंसर है C part. Taq polymerase is not damaged by heating. The term taxonomy was first coined by A.P.D. Kendall. A binomial in which the genus name and the species epithet are identical in spelling is called tautonym. Natural system of classification differs from artificial system of classification in taking into account all the similarities among the plants. The specimen or illustration upon which a name is based, originally used or designated at the time of publication, is called holotype. Cruciform corolla and tetradynamous stamens are characteristic feature of family Brassicaceae. In the family Ranunculaceae, the stamens are spirocyclic, dithecous and extrose. Cypsela fruit is a characteristic feature in Asteraceae. Here's a floral formula. आपको बोलना है कि ये फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला जो है ये किस फैमिली का है. इसका आंसर है सी, Liliaceae. The tunica carpus theory was proposed by Smith. The cells of meristematic tissue have all the above. The prop roots of banyan tree are meant for providing mechanical support to the large size of tree. The zone of slowly dividing cells in the middle of highly meristematic cells in root apex is called quiescent center. What are the parts of periderm? Phallogen, phalloderm, phallum. Conjoined collateral and closed vascular bundle scattered in ground tissue or found in monocot stem. Vascular bundles of cycas are conjoined collateral open. Wings in Pinaceae develops from seed coat. A monocarpic plant is that which flower only once in its life cycle. Pollination by ants is called myrmecophily. Curved ovule with horseshoe-shaped embryo sac and with micropyle, chalaza and funicle lie near each other is called Cercinotrops ovule. Which fruit is a type of nut? Cashew nut. Whiptail disease in plants such as cauliflower or broccoli, in which leaves appear twisted and subsequently die, is associated with molybdenum deficiency. Formation and expansion of gas bubble in xylem that breaks the continuity of water column and prevent water transport is known as embolism. Among following inorganic solutes, which one is relatively immobile in phloem? Calcium. Which of the following is true about water? All of these. All chlorophylls have a ring structure related to the porphyrin and a hydrocarbon tail attached to the ring structure. Chlorophyll B differs from chlorophyll A in chlorophyll B has an aldehyde group attached to ring. Which of the following is a water-soluble mobile electron carrier in electron transport chain? इसका आंसर है 8, plastoquinone. Conversion of glucose to pyruvate in glycolysis gives a net yield of 2 ATP molecules. Formation of ATP in payoff phase of glycolysis is an example of substrate level phosphorylation. Which of the following enzymes are required only during beta oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids? The answer is C part, isomerase. Low Km, Michaelis-Menten constant, value signifies that the enzyme has higher affinity for substrate. Thanks for watching.